Welcome to Auto Review Pro, your trusted source for the latest car reviews, deep dive features, and expert insights into the most luxurious, innovative, and futuristic vehicles the world has to offer. Today, we bring you a full detailed review of the 2026 Mercedes Benz Maybach Motorhome, a true masterpiece of design, technology, and comfort that redefines how luxury travel should feel. This motorhome is not just transportation, it's an experience crafted for those who demand first-class living wherever they go. The 2026 Maybach Motorhome is a fusion of elegance and engineering excellence. From the moment you set eyes on it, the vehicle leaves a lasting impression with its commanding road presence. The front features the iconic Maybach vertical bar grille that signifies class and tradition, flanked by adaptive digital LED headlamps that provide precise illumination. In all driving conditions, the aerodynamic body design is smooth yet powerful, designed to minimize drag while maximizing visual impact. The motorhome sits on large multi-spoke Maybach alloy wheels, specially designed to provide optimal load balance and ride comfort. Its two-tone body finish, accented by chrome trims and flush door handles, adds a touch of sophistication rarely seen in vehicles of this category. Move around to the side and rear, and you'll notice thoughtfully integrated panoramic windows that let natural light flood the interior. Electric retractable steps extend as you approach the vehicle, and a fully motorized side awning provides shade and shelter for outdoor relaxation. Rear access is wide and smooth, making it convenient to load up for a long adventure or to simply enjoy open-air views from the comfort of the rear lounge. Stepping inside, the Maybach Motorhome is a true revelation. The interior resembles a luxury suite, with every element tailored for premium comfort. Plush Napa leather wraps the seats, walls, and even parts of the ceiling. The floors are made of real wood, and ambient lighting wraps around the cabin in seamless LED strips. The living area features twin executive lounge chairs with full massage, ventilation, heating, and memory settings. A hidden fold-out dining table and modular seating create a flexible social or workspace. The onboard 4K OLED Smart TV, paired with a custom-tuned 4D Burmeister sound system, delivers a theater-like experience on wheels. The kitchen area is fitted with top-tier appliances including a smart induction cooktop, a compact convection microwave, a full-size refrigerator, and soft-close cabinetry with plenty of storage. Everything is designed for silent operation and minimal vibration, ensuring that the peace and serenity of the cabin remain intact during travel. The bathroom is just as luxurious, offering a standing shower with a rainwater-style head, a heated smart toilet with built-in sensors, marble countertops, and a vanity mirror that displays real-time weather, calendar events, and lighting adjustments. Sleeping arrangements are equally impressive. The rear cabin transforms into a master bedroom with a queen-size memory foam bed, surrounded by rich soundproofing, customizable LED lighting, and a skyview roof that can be darkened at the touch of a button. There are multiple USB-C and wireless charging stations, fold-away night tables, and wardrobe space to make extended journeys feel just like home. In terms of technology, the 2026 Maybach Motorhome leads the class. It is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 mild hybrid engine that generates around 510 horsepower, providing smooth and powerful acceleration. The 9G-itronic automatic transmission ensures effortless gear shifts, while Mercedes' Advanced for MATIC all-wheel drive system offers reliable traction on a variety of terrains. The aromatic air suspension system self-levels according to road conditions, load weight, and driving dynamics, delivering a soft yet stable ride even over long distances. This motorhome is also fully equipped with state-of-the-art safety features, including lane keeping assist, active brake assist, 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise control, blind spot warning, and crosswind stabilization. The digital cockpit is highly intuitive, consisting of dual widescreen displays powered by the latest MBUX software. Everything can be controlled via voice, touchscreen, or steering-mounted controls. Rear passengers also get access to their own control hubs for adjusting climate, lights, blinds, and media playback. Sustainability is another focus. The 2026 Maybach Motorhome features a smart solar roof setup that helps recharge the auxiliary battery system during daylight hours. A silent inverter generator combo provides backup power when off-grid, ensuring continuous operation of all systems. The integrated smart app lets owners remotely monitor energy levels, GPS, location, tire pressure, security alerts, interior climate, and even water tank status. With over-the-air software updates, the vehicle remains up to date with new features long after purchase. Overall, the 2026 Mercedes Benz Maybach Motorhome is not just a vehicle, but a complete luxury lifestyle solution for those who want to explore the world without compromising on comfort, elegance, or connectivity. Whether you are planning a coast-to-coast journey, remote work on the go, or simply wish to travel with first-class convenience, this motorhome stands in a league of its own. Thank you for watching this detailed Review of the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome. If you enjoyed this video and want more updates on the latest luxury vehicles, automotive innovations, and futuristic transportation trends, make sure to subscribe to Auto Review Pro. Your support helps us bring you premium automotive content that informs and inspires